Good morning students, I am Miss Beronika. Today in this class we are going to learn subject GK of class LKG. Okay, subject GK of class LKG. Our lesson is lesson 29 and our topic is birds. Okay, so we are going to learn the birds name. Okay children, so you might have seen birds flying over your terrace, isn't it? Yes. And sitting on the trees. Okay. And when we get up early in the morning, what we hear? We hear the chirping of the birds. Okay. We hear the chirping of the birds. Yes. So today we are going to learn the birds name, different types of birds name. Okay. So there are many birds in this world and each bird has its own name, isn't it? Yes. So on the blackboard I have drawn the pictures of some birds, and if you have GK book you can take out lesson number 29. The topic name is birds. So while I teach you, you can go through your book and see the images, and when I teach you the names of the bird, you can see the image and identify it. Okay? Yes. So shall we start? Yes. The first picture is of a sparrow. Okay? This bird's name is sparrow. Have you seen the sparrows? Yes, those sparrows live in group. Okay, whenever the sparrows, birds come to our terrace, they come in group. And eagle, next picture is of eagle. Eagle fly very high in the sky. Have you seen any birds flying on the sky? Very high, isn't it? So eagle fly very high in the sky. So this picture is of eagle. And this is pigeon. These birds we keep as pet, isn't it? Yes, we keep in a house. Pigeon. Next one is crow. You have seen the crow? Black in color, one bird, isn't it? Yes, crow. And this is parrot. What is this? This picture is of parrot. And next one is peacock. Which bird it is? This is peacock. So peacock is a national bird. Do you know? Yes, the peacock is a national bird. Keep remember. Okay children? So once more we'll read out how to pronounce it. So this is sparrow. Next one is eagle, pigeon, crow, parrot, peacock. Okay, once more, sparrow. Along with doing the pronunciation, we will do the spelling also. Okay, the spelling of sparrow is S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Next one is eagle. The spelling of eagle, E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Crow, C-R-O-W. Crow. Next one, parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And next is our national bird, that is called peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Once more, P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. So these are birds. What are they? They are birds. So we have to learn the bird's name with spelling. Please in your GK book, lesson number 29. Go through your book. Then if it is not clear, we'll clear it in Zoom class. So that's all for today. Thank you.